Mom, just pause it for a minute. Pause it for a minute.
Gabba Gabba!
Mom! Thank you.
Hello, friends! It's a beautiful day outside. I wonder what happens today. Let's check on Plex. Hey, Plex!
Now it's time to hiccup, 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 hiccup.
Where did Plex go?
Blue's Clues is my favorite game. Backpack, 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 backpack. On the backpack, loaded up with things and knickknacks too. Anything that you might need, I got inside for you. Backpack, 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 yeah! I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig.
Hey!
Hi, Oswald.
Whoopsie lives in the tree, he likes to play, play, play.
I'm Kailan. Ni hao. That's how I say hi in Chinese. Say ni hao. Ni hao. Super. Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao. Can you help me talk? Sure. What's gonna work? Teamwork. What's gonna work? Teamwork.
Oh, hello, how are you? Hey, have you seen my brother David? He's the one with the hair. You seen him? David! David!
Yes,
Is that you up there?
let me check. Yes, it's me.
Well, come on down!
Here I come. Oh, hello.
6 hours later.
Yeah. It's the dance button.
Oh.
Do you want to have a little try? Thought you might. Here you are. Got it? Brilliant.
I'm still dancing!
Oh, sorry, could you point the remote at Shane and press the stop dancing button, please? Please like me. Ooh, he's like you. He's got a lot of big things that he's gonna do.
Hi there. Z and I have something to show you.
I'm back, Plex. Let's go back and remember what we did today. First, Plex teleported in Blue's Clues place. And then Plex teleported a lot of places. He teleported to Max and Ruby's place. And finally, Plex went back into our place. I had a great time today. Thanks for playing with us. See you next time. Here we go.
Not gonna watch TV?